Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from HackerRank website. And the name of this problem is The Report. And today is our day 11 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one question each day. Okay, and let us read the problem. So you are given two tables, that is students and grades. Students contain three columns, that is ID, name and marks. Okay, so we have two tables, that is students. This one is students where we have three columns, ID, name and marks. And other is grade table where we have three columns, grade, min mark and maximum marks. Okay, now Katie gives Eve a task to generate a report containing three columns, that is name, grade and marks. Okay, so what Katie does, Katie gives Eve a task to print three columns, that is name, grade and marks. Okay, so name and marks can be get from this student table, but grade column is not present in this students table. So but grade column is present in grades table. So definitely to get the grade column, we need to join both of these tables, right? All right, now Katie doesn't want the names of those students who received a grade lower than 8. Okay, so in her report, she don't want the students whose grade is less than 8. Okay, the report must be in descending order by grade, that is higher grades are entered first. Okay, and the report should be in descending order by the grade. So let us write what we need to do. First we need to print name, grade and mark, right? And for printing these we need to definitely join both of these tables, right? And second, we don't want name of those students whose grade is less than 8. Grade less than 8, don't need their name, right? Okay, don't need their name. All right, and we need to order by grade descending, right? So the highest grade should be first, and then lower ones, right? Okay, now if there is more than one student with the same grade, that is between 8 to 10 assigned to them, order those particular students by their name alphabetically. Okay, so if there are two students with same grade between 8 to 10, so what we need to do, we need to then order them by their name in ascending order. Okay, finally if the grade is lower than 8, use null as their name. Okay, so we discussed that if the grade is less than 8, we don't want to print those names, right? But instead of printing the name, we want to print null, right? And we need to list them by their grades in descending order. Okay, if there is more than one student with the same grade 1 to 7 assigned to them, order those particular students by their marks in ascending order. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to order them by grade first, in descending order, then name. And for those students who got the grade less than 8, then we need to order them by their marks, right? Okay, so let us do that. So from which table? From students table, from students table, let me give alias as S1, or let's say S. I need to do join, but what kind of join I need to do? I need to join inner join. Okay, so inner join, which table I need to join? Inner join orders. Oh no, sorry, inner join grades, right? Let me give alias as G. Now on which condition? On this, see, in both of these table there is no column which is common. Okay, so what we need to do now, the marks. Okay, let's say this student got mark, uh, let's say 12, right? So 12 comes between this 10 and 19, so its grade will be 2. So what I need to do, I need to join them on a condition that s dot marks between g dot min marks min mark and g dot max mark, right? I hope you understand this concept why we have joined between. So let me again explain you. So let's say the marks is let's say 25. So 25 will come between 20 and 29. So his grade will be 3. So that's why we have put this condition, right? Now I need to select. So select query, for what purpose we need to use select query? To retrieve the data. Retrieve the data from which table? From these students and grades table. And what column I need to retrieve? I need to retrieve name, grade and marks. So name will come from this student table. So s dot name. Okay. Then a grade column will come from this grades table. So g dot grade. Okay, and then mark column will come from student table. So s dot marks, right? Okay, let me run this query. Okay, so we got the names, their grade and their marks. Okay, now but if the grade is less than 8, we want to print null, and if the grades is more than 8, we need to print their name. Okay, so if we have the if condition, so then we need to use case statement, right? So instead of printing this s dot name, what I will do, I will do case statement. Why we are doing? Because if the grade is less than 8, then this condition. If the grade is more than 8, then this condition. Okay, so case, and so when this grade, so when this g dot grade is less than 8, then null. Okay, else I need to print the name. So else this s dot name, s dot name. Okay, and then end. Okay, let me run this code. Yeah, so as you can see that this grade is 3, right? So 3 is less than 8, so their name should be print as null. Okay, 4 null, and then for 8 it's Priya, for more 9 it's Samantha. We are doing it correct. Now we need to order them by grade descending. Okay, so as you can see that here 3 4, we need highest grade to be print as row 1. So let me order this as well. So order by grade and in descending order, right? In descending. Let me run this. Yeah, so as you can see grade 10 is printing first. Now if the if two or more than one student have the grade equal, that is 8, then we need to order them then by their name. As you can see here, Julia and Brittany, they have the same grade, 10 10, and even these all are 10 10 10. So what we need to do, we need to order them by their name in alphabetical order. So as Julia and Brittany should come first because B comes first, then J, right? So I need to do then order by their name. So S dot name in alphabetical order means in ascending. So by default it's ascending. I don't need to mention it. Yeah, so it accepted all the sample test cases, but there is one thing more. What is that? That for these null, let me show you. For these null, right? For null, we need to order them by their grade first. So 7 7, then 6 4 3. It is correct. And then what we need to do? We need to order them by their marks, right? So 64 66, and then it's in ascending order. So by default it's come correct, but we need to mention that in our query as well. So comma s dot marks, s dot marks, right? Let me run this. Yeah, so we have passed all the sample test cases, and let me just submit this code. So yeah, great, we have solved this challenge. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a like as well. If you are liking this video, it gives me a motivation that you guys are loving or getting some motivation to practice SQL each day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to the channel.